In this video, I will show you how to get greed in Voidpet Dungeon. To get greed in Voidpet Dungeon, you mainly need to hatch eggs, because greed is a legendary void pet with a very low drop rate compared to other pets. First, go to the hatch section and start using mystery eggs, which usually give around the 0.5% chance of a legendary pet. Since there are multiple legendary pets in the pool, the chance of specifically getting greed becomes even lower. However, if you keep hatching without getting a legendary, the game will eventually guarantee one after a certain number of attempts. You can also use astral eggs, which are much better because they offer around a 9% chance of a legendary pet and also guarantee one after a set number of hatches, making them one of the fastest ways to try for greed. In some cases, special or event eggs may also include greed, depending on updates or rotations, and event rewards can also give you extra chances to obtain legendary pets. If you stay consistent with hatching and use the better egg options, your chances of getting greed increase over time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.